Hi everyone, this is Team Pixel Perfect going to present the idea for SIH project blockchain based supply chain transparency for agriculture produced provided by Government of Odisha organization. Now let's start our project and I will show you what are the features and what is the process need to be done for doing this process. So here we have our navigation bar with the navigation details and below are the features like whatever we need to do basically for our supply chain process like scanning QR code etc. There then we have the features whatever we have like we have transparency, food safety, fair pricing, QR code tracking etc. Now we will start our project. This is the login page. Now we will log in with Google to have better accessibility within our project. Now, as you can see, we logged in with our Gmail ID. There we can see our profile section. So here we have the profile data. So here you can see it showing you are not registered as farmer, distributor or wholesaler. So we have different type of roles in our project, such as farmer, distributor, wholesaler, retailer, the basic necessities of a supply chain tracking management. There we will have these roles. So I gave in profile basically these three roles. The thing is, for each Gmail account, we can have only one role, like one farmer or one distributor, one wholesaler or one retailer. Now we will register as one farmer for now to see how the process works. There we will fill our details, name, we'll give some name, then mobile number, then Aadhaar number, then farm name. The farm name is basically a farm name whichever the farmer is having. If there is no farm name, they can type nil. Next, farm address. Farm address can be of beside highway, highway number, etc. or the nearby landmarks. Then city, the city name, then the state name, then postal code, any six digits. Then we will agree to terms and conditions and we can register this one. Now we can see our farmer ID is registered. Now we can see here the farmer details are getting updated here. Now we register as all of the users present in the screen. For that I will show you here. So you can see we have everyone as farmer ID, distributor ID, etc. Now we need to create a lot as a farmer where they will enter their produce. We can see this button here also. So when you go here, you can enter the crop name, etc. We will give the crop name as grain. Then we will give as wheat, this one. Then we will can give some random date, can be like this. Then the weight we can enter like 100 kg we will enter. Then we will create the lot here. We can see the lot is created. Then we will transfer as a wholesaler to the retailer. Then we can find the lot ID in the view lot section. As we can see, this is the lot ID. So when we copy this one, then we will go here and we will go here and we will paste it here. Then after pasting, we'll go to the retailer. To see the retailer ID, we can go to our database. Now for seeing the retailer ID, we can go to the database here and we can check the retailer ID. It is showing one. So we will use this one here and we will enter here. Then we can give price per kg and we'll use 20 rupees for now. Then we will enter the weight, how much we need to like send it to a retailer. We have 100 kgs as a farmer, so I'll send the 20 kgs in the middle. So if we transfer this one, we can see we transferred the lot successfully. Then we will sell as a retailer to customer. So this is the lot ID here, the customer email, which is my own email, which I given here already. So I can copy this one, and then I can paste it here. Then total amount, so that is 20 rupees into 20 kgs, totally 400 rupees we need to pay. So we will record this here. Now for now we will give it. simulate payment compilation and mock compilation. So automatically the payment ID will get generated to show how the process work is done. Now we will see how to track this one. So when you go here, view logs, we can generate the QR code here. So this is our QR code here. Now we can see this one, it will generate the lot ID. We can see the lot ID, the details of this one. Then we will go for the next one, how to scan this one. So this is the track QR code, and we can get this button from here also. So we will go here. So automatically it will go here. Now we will try to scan the QR code. Now it will automatically scan and we will give the tracking ID here. Now we can see how it is getting tracked here. So when we go here, we will show the details of whatever happened in our tracking system. So this is the lot ID, then the details, etc. Then whatever happened, then the first transfer history from the wholesaler to retailer which we did. Then this is the sale history to customer which we did. So this is the customer. So since everything is completed in the supply chain, the status is shown as closed. Otherwise it will be shown as open. Now if you want to see how the data is getting stored, we are storing this database. So we have everything, distributors, farmers, the lots, the transfers, the sales, everything. One by one, we have the data stored here. Then we can see how the blockchain works. The blockchain works here like this. So when I start here, one block is getting created. Then automatically the next block is created when I register the farmer. Then I will be registering everything such as distributor, like all I registered one by one users. Then afterwards, after registering as a retailer, then I am doing every work. Next is recording transfer after recording the lot created by the farmer. Then afterwards, here here lot is lost. As you can see, the close lot is happening when I complete the sale. In this way, every block is getting created here. Now, for the blockchain, whichever are in the supply chain process, those blocks alone will get connected and everything will work accordingly. Then we can see something here like IPFS hash. This is where we are storing our details in cloud application. This is called IPFS, Interplanetary File System, where it will store in its cloud management. Now we can see this one using our PowerShell tool, where we can give IPFS cat and we can view our data here. So the thing which we copied just now. So when we give enter, we can see the details of that particular thing is getting loaded here. Thank you.
Now, let us see a quick demo of a mobile application. Our mobile application looks very similar to the web application. Here are the quick links to every product and everything in our application. Our profile here are provided with a Google authentication where it leverages the security concern. Every user who logged in will be registered in our database. So when a fraud detection happens, we can go to the database and check to a particular user where that fraud happened. And now we'll register for a role of farmer. Now we'll give a particular name like farmer. We have seen that the farmer is successfully registered and we have redirected to our homepage. Now we'll see the dashboard of the farmer after the successful registration of the farmer. The dashboard contains a very neat and clean UI provided with the cards and everything else. So now the user who is a farmer should want to register a product so he can go to the quick actions and register the product. See here where The farmer should enter the details of his crop provided in particular year, and he should enter the harvest date and should upload the document verified by a government officer. And afterwards entering, he should register the produce and it will be updating into the our blockchain. So in the blockchain, everyone can view the particular block. So the distributor can view the block. So whether the farmer having this much amount. So the distributor will buy from the farmer. So this is how and the retailer and wholesaler. This is how the flow goes on. And the consumer will buy from the wholesaler or retailer afterwards. And the after product reaching the consumer, the consumer can track the product like from track the product. So when he to track the product, he'll be seeing a page like this, and afterwards he should scan the product which is provided with a scanner on the product, and afterwards he should after scanning the page will be looking like this, where the details of a particular product from the farmer to the retailer and the consumer will be shown here. Thank you.